Bahria University's campuses in Karachi, Lahore, and Islamabad are catering to the needs of a commendable number of students studying in various disciplines. Its Islamabad chapter, with its serene and secure location, is an institution of higher learning, working diligently to achieve set benchmarks in education and research. The university is reputed for its efforts to facilitate its students with financial scholarships and on-campus facilities such as a well-stocked library, technologically updated laboratories, a well-equipped gymnasium to help the students prepare and assume their roles as future leaders at personal and professional and communal levels without any constraints. The young scholars at Bahria University are provided with a substantial base of knowledge and skills to ensure that they become model professionals and responsible members of the society. They are given all opportunities to exploit their full potential through events and activities, both in class and as a part of the extracurricular, so that they are able to strengthen their analytical capabilities and make conscious and rational decisions for themselves. The faculty at Bahria University is an expansive reservoir of knowledge and wisdom and is personally involved in the counseling, character building, and grooming of the students. Through systematic evaluation, revising, and updating of the curricula, our faculty successfully maintains a learning environment imbued with curiosity and creativity, where students are encouraged to question, explore, and learn existing and new concepts in their respective disciplines. All the departments of Bahria University collectively strive to bring professionalism and knowledge to life of its students through interdisciplinary focus, collaborative orientation, and responsiveness to contemporary issues and continuous global change. These programs draw on the vast resources of Bahria University, experienced faculty, and the industry practitioners, both locally and internationally, to ensure relevant and practical applicability of the concepts learned. Bahria University is one of the fastest growing universities in Islamabad, not just in terms of its student strength, but also in terms of its development of infrastructure, its faculty strength, and its research output. The university is also working continuously in extending its global reach through international affiliations. Bahria University has become a trusted name in productive academic culture and student support. It is forever committed to providing high-quality education and facilitating students' development through professional skills and inculcation of a sense of responsibility and sound moral values, which are essential for effective leadership. Today, the 17th convocation of the Bahria University Islamabad campus, we are gathered here to underscore an important transition in the lives of our students and providing a fulfilling experience for the parents of the graduates. Bahria University is not only presenting our students with degrees, but the very foundation and springboards for the future success. So, on behalf of Bahria University Islamabad campus, I congratulate the graduates on their academic success and wish them a fulfilling future. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the convocation procession is now entering the hall. Guests are requested to rise and be seated only after the national anthem has been played. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Honorable Chief Guest, Engineer Muhammad Balighur Rahman, Minister of State for Education and Professional Training, faculty, distinguished guests, graduating students, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of Bahariya University, I welcome you to the 17th convocation of Bahariya University Islamabad campus. I now request the Registrar, Bahariya University, to begin the proceedings of today's convocation by requesting the Minister of State for Education and Professional Training to declare the convocation open.
Honorable Chief Guest, I request you to declare the convocation open.
Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. I declare the convocation open.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us commence our program with the recitation of few verses from the Holy Quran. I now request Mr. Amir Fareed to kindly recite, please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. Recite in the name of your Lord who created man from a clinging substance. Recite, and your Lord is the most generous, who taught by the pen, taught man that which he knew not. صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah khair. I now request our Honorable Rector, Bahariya University, Vice Admiral Retired Tanveer Faiz, Hilal Imtiaz Military, to take the podium and present his welcome address, please.
Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Honorable Minister of State for Education and Professional Training, Engineer Muhammad Balighur Rahman, respected faculty, graduating students, respected parents, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is my profound privilege to welcome you all to the 17th convocation ceremony of Bahariya University Islamabad campus. I am grateful to the Honorable Minister for sparing his time to grace this occasion as chief guest. Ladies and gentlemen, 477 students of the university shall be conferred degrees in today's convocation, and 242 graduates who could not join us today shall be conferred degrees in absentia. My dear graduating students, I congratulate you on conferment of well-deserved degrees which you have earned after going through years of rigorous academic hard work. But let me remind you, this is just the beginning of a marathon. We at Bahariya University have done our best to equip you with necessary institutional tools, some fundamental principles of conducting scholastic inquiry, and above all, the guidance to conduct yourself in life. But remember, there are no shortcuts to achieve success, and you have to face the challenges with courage and determination at every step going up the ladder. Never lose heart on your failures, and never lose sight of the goals and objectives you have set for yourself. Maintain your confidence and remain abreast with the latest developments taking place in your profession. I am confident that you possess all the ingredients to meet the challenges of practical life. Do not hesitate to look back at Bahria University for any support and guidance. You will always find us forthcoming and supportive. Ladies and gentlemen, higher education has now become a tool of economic growth. The universities have great responsibility of producing quality graduates who could contribute positively in various fields for economic growth of the country. Our vision is to prepare our students for the national as well as international market through high standards of education. We have therefore gone in a big way for improvement in academic infrastructure, faculty development, and alignment of curriculum with market trends. Upgradation of existing labs, establishment of new labs, and introduction of new academic programs are few steps in this regard. In addition to formal education, lots of efforts are being made towards the overall grooming of students to make them useful citizens. To provide international exposure to students, Bahria University has established linkages with 33 foreign universities. These arrangements afford numerous academic benefits, such as joint research, student exchange, credit transfers, and fee discounts. In the same context, Bahria has also been sending students to various international forums so as to expose them to latest educational trends and practices. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me pleasure to mention here that this year university has provided rupees 75 million for scholarships. Higher Education Commission, Punjab, Balochistan, KPK, and Sindh Education Endowment Funds, National ICT R&D Fund, and National Testing Service have also graciously contributed for scholarships. This will provide an opportunity to students coming from low-income background to pursue education in Bahria University. Ladies and gentlemen, multidisciplinary growth of Bahria University programs and increasing number of student population has necessitated rapid expansion in existing facilities. The university is doing its best to pursue its ongoing programs. Under construction academic blocks at Islamabad and Karachi campus and proposed construction of a new campus at Lahore is manifestation of this strategy. We are thankful to Pakistan Navy for their support. We are also thankful to Planning Commission and Higher Education Commission for providing rupees 1.4 billion for strengthening of Bahria University. Respected parents, I would like to offer my gratitude to you for reposing trust in this university. I want to reassure you that by choosing Bahria University for your offsprings, you have made a right decision, as Bahria is the only large comprehensive university in Pakistan offering programs in various disciplines, including medical and maritime sciences, in the most conducive teaching and learning environments. I am confident that your trust will be further strengthened when you see your children successful in their lives. I urge the graduating students never to forget the sacrifices made by your parents and guardians. Now is the time that you should pay back their debt by justifying that their decision was up to the mark. Before concluding, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to once again thank the Honorable Minister and all our distinguished guests who have joined us in today's function to make this event both significant and memorable. At the end, I once again wish our graduating students all the success in their future careers and life. May Allah be with you. I thank you all. Pakistan, Paindabad.
I now request the Registrar, Bahria University, for presentation of the candidates for conferment of degrees, please.
May the candidates be presented for conferment of degrees.
Let the candidates be presented.
I now request the candidates of bachelor programs to rise for conferment of their degrees, please.
Honorable Rector, I present to you these persons who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of MS and MBA, to which I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of authority vested in me as the Rector of Bahria University, I admit you to the degree of MS and MBA, and in token thereof, I present to you this degree and authorize you to wear the robes ordained as the insignia of this degree and charge you to prove worthy of the same.
I now request the candidates of bachelor's program to rise for the conferment of their degrees, please.
Honorable Rector, I present to you these persons who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of bachelor, to which degree I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of authority vested in me as the Rector of Bahria University, I admit to you the degree of bachelor, and in token thereof, I present to you this degree and authorize you to wear the robes ordained as the insignia of this degree and charge you to prove worthy of the same.
I now request the Director Campus to kindly present to the Rector, Bahria University, a folder containing list of candidates being awarded degrees in absentia. May I now request our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Mohammad Balighur Rahman, Minister of State for Education and Professional Training, to kindly award the degrees to the graduating students. I now request the candidate of MPhil Management Sciences to receive her degree from the Honorable Chief Guest.
Asma Zishan.
I now request the candidate of Master of Science in Project Management to receive their degrees from the Honorable Chief Guest.
Mohsin Ali Khan. Nusratullah. Waqar Ahmad Khan. Iram Habib. Uzma Amin. Aisha Saeed. Ikra Sabir. Shahwar Tanveer. Maryam Naeem. Shamsa Yusuf. Lareeb Amir. Adila Altaf. Manzoor Ahmed. Tanveer Anjum. Junaid Hassan. Muhammad Ali, Madiha Anwar, Ikra Ali Zafar, Sidra Talat, Anila Kamal, Anam Tahir, Naseem Anwar Khan, Zafar Iqbal, Muhammad Ramiz Khan, Muhammad Arsalan, Muhammad Ali Adil, Ehsan Jamal Shah, Usman Ahmed, Farhan Zia, Khan Farhan, Muhammad Ehsan Nisar, Izhar Asif, Muhammad Saqib, Sayyida Misbatul Ain Zahra, Fariha Nageen, Asad Ali Khan, Muhammad Abdul Muqtadir Khan, Fatimatu Zahra, Rida Khalid, Amina Naveed, Mushayyida Malik, Mona Masood, Mahe Laka, Aisha Hanif, Sayyid Mustafa Kazmi, Muhammad Musharraf, Abid Hussain, Umair Hashim, Adil Ahmed, Sana Ahmed, Gule Rana Khan, Sadaullah,
I now request the candidates of Master of Science in Electrical Engineering to receive their degrees, please.
Javeria Majid, Muhammad Yasin,
I now request the candidates of Master of Science in Software Engineering to receive their degrees from the Honorable Chief Guest.
Anam Aziz, Zaid Manzoor, Kanza Munir, Hudaybia Khalid, Muzna Zafar, Sidra Siddiqui,
I now request the candidate of Master of Science in Telecommunication and Networking to receive his degree, please.
Faisal Hasnan Bukhari,
I now request the candidate of Master of Science in Geophysics to receive their degrees.
Furqan Aftab, Muhammad Asif Khan, Tayyib Malik, Muhammad Nofal Munir,
I now request the candidate of Master of Science in Geology to receive his degree from Honorable Chief Guest.
Adib Ahmed, Azhar Iqbal, Abid Nawaz Judoon,
I now request the candidate of Master of Science in Environmental Policy and Management to receive her degree.
Ikra Chauhan,
I now request the candidates of Master of Science in Clinical Psychology to receive their degrees from the Honorable Chief Guest.
Sana Saif, Mehwish Kamran, बाबरा अमानत, अस्मा असलम, सैयदा तूबा हैदर, सादिया बतूल, नबील एहसान, फरा आफ्ताब, मारिया अशरफ, हमना अरूज, पीरजादा मोहम्मद मुनीब, माज अहमद, लारैब तनवीर, कुरतुल ऐन, उज़्मा मुश्ताक, मोइन अहमद, नासिर अली खरल, मोहम्मद उमर फयाज, शाहिदा अहमद, समाहा सुफियान, अली हसन, सिकंदर खान,
I now request the candidates of Master of Business Administration to receive their degrees from the Honorable Chief Guest.
Ehsan Amjad, Muhammad Suhaib,